Let's do this practice load test calculation. What we've got here is a picture facing away from you, so you can see the string here happening on the back side. What I have here is a force gauge, and I have drawn some lines on this picture here along which I can measure. Let's see, yeah, that way, something like that. You can actually see those very faint lines because I didn't want to damage this thing much. Do notice that we have a bigger triangle again. We have a bigger triangle from pointer suspension and pointer suspension to the hook, but I don't need the whole triangle, I just need half of it because that's where a right angle triangle is. So what I need is two measurements. The first measurement is vertical. Once I find my ruler, it's a tricky thing. Okay, that one says to that line there, it's 90, there we go, 92 millimeters there. Let's just record that information quick. Headroom is 92, and for length I'm gonna need a measurement for length of string. 230. I know it's just out of the picture, I just don't want to reframe it. Alright, let's go further away. That was 230 millimeters. Now I need just one more number. The weight of this picture is 2.2 kilograms. Okay, so the question is, how much stress is being developed in the string? What you do is you take the 2.2 and you multiply it by the stress factor. The stress factor is calculated by the length divided by the height. And my calculator is far away. Just a second. Okay, I'm back. And if we do that, I can enter, let's see, 230 divided by 92 equals 2.5. I have a stress factor of 2.5, so the string is carrying 2.5 times the weight of the picture, so times it by 2.2 equals 5.5. Now 5.5 is in the two strings combined, so then chop it in half, so that string carries, that single string there carries 2.75 kilos and the other string there carries 2.75 kilos. Let me just write the numbers up just to make sure. That was a 5.5 kilos in total. And so because you have two strings, so you divide that by 2, and for each string is gonna do 2.7, because there were more decimal digits there, so that's why it's 2.7. I'm sure it's 2.7. Yeah, it was 2.75 kilograms of stress on each string. Okay, the same works in rigging. I know this picture is not quite the 800-pound slab I was lifting in the garden, but same math, same idea.